In every hero's journey, there comes a point where they heed the call of adventure, only to then refuse such a call. But it is in this liminal space, this place of deconditioning, that opens them up to divine assistance and a magical series of events which ultimately opens their eyes to a whole new world. And in our journey of expansion, after wandering through the month of January, we now have the opportunity to experience our own magical event, a gateway of energy sending forth the violet flame of transmutation, which opens our eyes to the rainbow bridge. Hello, beautiful beings of light, and welcome to the Galactic Energy Report, a very special energy report where we are discussing the next phase in our hero's journey and the tantalizing celestial energies that have been waiting for us to embark across the rainbow bridge. The liminal space is the threshold between what has transpired and what is yet to come. It is the space and place in between. It is the hallways and doorways of our lives, and most of us do not like to linger there. Here, betwixt and between, is where our collective stands in this now moment, knowing that we can never go back to once was, but not quite seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, between the release of one paradigm and the construction of the next. However, the often unrealized beauty of this state is that it's empirical evidence of our growth and expansion. For we could not have made it to the doorway, the threshold, unless we were transforming, becoming. It is during these phases in our lives that creativity, ingenuity, trial and error, and much tribulation, which ultimately leads to genius outcomes, lives. The liminal space can also be seen as the bardo. In the Tibetan Book of the Dead, it describes the realms which we pass through in the 49 days during and after death, where we see with 9 times more clarity the illusion of the mind, where immediately after death you have the opportunity to recognize your piercing luminosity, the vast, empty luminosity of mind itself. In this moment of recognition of the essence of who you truly are, you are liberated, not through another, but through self. You are instantly relieved of having to pass through the remaining bardos. You are freed from the wheel of transitional time. All it takes is self-liberation. And this is the exact phase that the collective is swimming in. It is the process of waking up, of releasing the attachment to the false self, of realizing the totality of who we are. From this liminal space, whether now or later, whether we continue around the wheel or immediately recognize our self-liberating luminosity, we will all eventually open our eyes and see the fullness of who we are. We will all liberate ourselves during this expansion process. Some of us have already done this. Others have had glimpses, and most of us still must travel into other bardos or realities or illusions. But no matter where we are on this journey, we are here to gain further refinement, further polishing, further understanding of both the light and the dark. And that is the work we are doing with tethering. We are clearing away the debris, the lower density cords and energy tethers. We are transitioning into higher vibrating frequencies bequeathed to us by the celestial consciousness, woven through our fabric here on earth. So when it is our time to pass from this realm unto another, it is an immediate recognition, because we have gazed upon its beauty time and time again in the bardos of this lifetime, so that we do not have to re-enter the liminal spaces which take us back into rebirth if we do not desire to do so. Because ultimately we came here to magnetize and pull others up, not through force, but by becoming an unstoppable force. Not by shouting from the rooftops, nor coercing or cajoling others to see it our way. No, by simply lighting up the path, we are strengthening the grid for others to find their way home. for others to see the light and liberate the self, so that we might be the magic that holds out our hand to the hero when they fight the call to adventure, just as we now receive our helping hand, our rainbow bridge.
Just wanted to say I love ya. Scully loves ya. Bye.